Riuruoge jopuonje kaunti ma Siaya kwayo migao mar somo mondo ogolie tich direkta mar somo e kaunti no Leonard Mbugua kuom rocho chenro mag somo kendo koso tiyo kod ratiro e yore mag omenda. Jatend jopuonj mar riuruog NAT kod mano mar Kupet bade ma Siaya kwayo mondo mi otim nonro mar omenda moseti godo e bwo dweche 3 mokalo kane olosi apisi mar NAT bade ma Siaya. Jagoro maduong' mar riuruogno Alex Dunga kod nyawadgi ma Kupet Sam Opondo nowacho ni giseoro kwayo ne jagoro maduong' e migao no mar golo oko Leonard Mbugua.
We have principals of secondary schools and heads of institutions in primary schools who have already been transferred, but they cannot move to their new stations. Reason being, the county director has insisted on carrying out some kind of audit, thereby delaying movement to the institutions where the teachers have been transferred. This is causing a lot of anxiety to the principals and heads of institutions.
The county director of education is usurping the role of the board of management
of our schools
by usurping the powers of board of management, who should award contracts to schools. Contractors to schools. And let me tell you, and I'm giving an example of KPIL. He gave a directive that all institutions, those he has interest in, will not award contract to the contractors. He is coming with a list of identified contractors that the school must choose from it. That is against the public procurement law.
Yes. The training for the managers is for 3 days, and it is supposed to cost 7,000.